Hi, my name is Samir Natar. I'm the founder of Connect Insights, a customer experience management platform that helps brands to listen to their customers, learn from them, and act on it. The trend I'm going to be speaking about is seamless omni-channel experiences replacing physical digital patchwork. In today's world, you as a brand want to give a very nice experience for your customers. You need to know where are they coming from, what are their preferences, and you cannot be working in silos and give a patchy and a staggered experience. So just to explain this with an example, let's say a customer comes to you and expresses his opinion on his preferred channel, let's say Twitter, and your response then cannot be that we are looking into this and a call center team will call you. You really want to address the issue on the same platform, and hence as part of an excellent customer experience management, you really want multiple systems to talk to each other. So any agent who is responding to the customer has a complete view of the history of that customer. So we at Connect Insights say this as there are four important pillars of customer experience management, and that goes very well with our tagline called as listen, evaluate, act. So the first pillar is your online data, which is from your blogs, forums, news, consumer forums, review sites. Then comes your social media data, which is from all social media platforms, whether they are owned or public channels like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, so on and so forth. Then comes emails, and then your physical locations, which you can gather data by scanning the QR code. So this becomes the first pillar. And the second pillar is calling and chats. So these two pillars make listen. Then you have your analytics engine, your insights or dashboards that integrates well with CRMs. That is the third pillar. And the fourth pillar is the act part, where you do marketing automations or publish the content based on the insights that you've got. Once all these four pillars are connected, that's where you have one view of the customer. You are going to resolve the customer queries in rapid time. At the same time, you're going to make them happier. So Connect Insights and Freshworks have worked together. We have built quite a few integrations for our customers. So the way it works is, Connect Insights is very good in pulling out data from all over the web and social media, and Freshworks or Freshdesk has one view of the customer, right? You create contacts there. There are tickets from other platforms that come in Freshdesk. So the way this integration works is from Connect Insights, we push the tickets to Freshdesk, and the Freshdesk agents, they could be like maybe 100 agents sitting on Freshdesk. They get the tickets of the customers from social media channels and from the online web. They look at the issue. They can have one view of the customer and then respond to those queries. So this integration really helps the brands to have one integrated solution and not work in silos. So that is the offering that we have with Freshdesk integration.